Hey everyone, this is TB video coming to you on a video, and I'm doing floral mandala with flowers and garden. And first, we're gonna do floral mandala, and I'm doing location because I want the thing behind me and my background. So let's get started, everyone. Let's get up. How about that, everyone? So here's what I have together. Sorry, I don't want to cover myself up. This is my project. And let's get started with the video. Let me see if I can do it like this. Sorry, my book is in a mess a little bit, but I can make it through. So let's start with the video. By me, Quincy Bruno. And I won't post it till later today. Excuse me for a minute. Let me try again. Sorry, I'm moving my angle the wrong way. And I try to get this thing off film. And also, feel free to like, subscribe to TB video. And also CM video for a friend of mine as well. And the sponsor for this video be Snail Mason Photography business that he does. Make sure I can fold my book in half. Okay. That way you can keep me coloring. No, I'm not a unicorn. I'm a unicorn. I'm not a unicorn, it ain't funny. I know if you can keep my coloring, that's okay, but I'll pull it up to me and I'll tell you my progress. And also like, subscribe to the Down Kingdom a Lowell YouTube channel as well. And one day in my lifetime, I wanted to have my own coloring class, but in person. But I know someone can do that. Like I said, I don't have like I said before, I don't have good service here, but I will post this video when I get back to Washington South, because I'll have better connection over there. So bear with me, everyone. And this video will be called Floral, mandala, and flower. This will be called I think coloring floral, mandala, and flowers and garden video. But I don't know what the name's gonna be, so you'll see it when I post it later. Video. No. I get it. Video. Very funny. It might be a nature video as well. Don't know when, how long I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna do how I can do it, everyone. And if you can see me in my video, feel free to put it in the comment section if you can see me on this video. Me, no. I can't. Me, no. I'm not Corey Morgan. I'm not Corey Morgan. Very funny. Give me a minute. Sorry about that, everyone. I had to move to a different area to get this video. And this will be a nature video. Be a nature film. Be flower, mandala, with flowers and gardens. With flowers and gardens. Nature coloring video. But let me get where I'm at. But I'm doing my last part on here. Oh, give me a minute. I forgot my marker. Sorry about that. That's the last time. Cause I had to get my marker kit with me. And let me show you what I have. This is what I have. This is what I have in this book. Thank you. Sorry about that. That was my phone being crazy. But this is what I have right here. And let me do another book as well. And here's the book I'm doing. It's hard to keep because what I have, and it has like flowers and gardens in this book. Sorry everybody, cause I know it's hard where I'm at, but this is just my phone. Keep realize that, but I'd like to apologize to everyone out there that's watching my video. Sorry that my phone keeps flopping forward, but I am almost done to this video. And I finished. This is what I've got finished, completed. This is what I got completed, everyone. Give me a minute to do my next page. Like I mentioned, I will post this later today. Book for today will be what I'm working on. And I'm using my new marker, the double head colored brush pen. I'm sorry everyone for my phone. I was crying because my phone keeps flopping all over the place. But sorry about that, but no, it's better. I know I apologize about my phone and everything, but we'll move on from that for now. We're not going to do it again anymore. Because including my progress, I have here in my other one. Then I'll wrap up for the day video. And also, one more thing I want to give out. I do have good news that I'm inventing 2 new cousins all the way, because my one cousin is gonna have a boy named Hudson. Another one, my cousin Kelly, named her Nathaniel Isaac. So Hudson Matthew and Nathaniel Isaac, that'll be my 2 new cousins that's all the way. I like to say that with everyone. Sorry about that. And I'm wrapping up right now. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.